From the Brumbach murders discussed in court for the first time today, and this all part of the Dr. Anthony Garcia quadruple murder trial.
Our Aaron Murray was there in court. And Aaron, what were some of the main points given?
A very tough day inside Judge Gary Randall's court. Autopsy pictures of both Thomas Hunter and Shirley Sherman were shown to the jury. As you can imagine, very graphic images. Both Sherman and Hunter were found with knives lodged in their necks. These images show the diagrams of their wounds. At one point, a member of the jury asked to take a break. Later, defense attorney Bob Mata Sr. cross-examined the forensic pathologist. Things got intense when Judge Randall asked him to let the witness finish her sentences before cutting her off. Now, his response was that she needed to only answer the questions that he asked. That's when testimony switched over to the Brumbach murders. In May of 2013, the Brumbachs were in the process of moving, and the man who came to take a piano from their home is actually the one who called 911 first. Now, he did so because he saw this gun magazine cartridge when he opened the door to the home. Two neighbors, a husband and a wife, also testified that 2 days before the Brumbach bodies were discovered, they heard popping noises. Attorney Bob Mata Jr. would argue that neither could determine the direction the noises came from and had them agree the street they live on was busy. Finally, Detective Derek Moyse, he's also the same detective that worked the murders of Thomas Hunter and Shirley Sherman. We saw again graphic images, this time of the Brumbach's bodies, along with evidence key to the case for the prosecution, like the gun shell casings, suspected bullet holes, even knives that surrounded the bodies. We also learned that in addition to being shot, Roger Brumbach was also stabbed. Things did get intense when Bob Mata Jr. then began cross-examination, challenging Moyse on his theory on the number of gunshots and how they struck Brumbach, then traveled in the house. Now, Mata did not want to comment extensively, but he did leave us with this comment walking out. You want to talk about just how everything went? It got a little tense at the end there.
Oh, for him. Didn't get tense for me.
Coming up at 10, we will go over what to expect tomorrow inside Judge Randall's court.